Do you know who your ideal clients are? Well, when you know who your ideal clients are, not just your target audience, but the very specific people that you're trying to get business from, who you're trying to work with, then it makes the creation of all the copy, all the text, and all the other content on your website go that much easier with greater efficiency and I think with a lot more fun. So, how do you do that? How do you make that happen? How do you define exactly who your ideal client is? Let's talk. Hi, I'm Mari Pfeiffer. I'm a writer and website designer, and I work with coaches and consultants and other services providers like financial advisors and lawyers, and I help them create beautiful and very effective websites that help them attract the people they most want to do business with, connect with them, and convert visitors into loyal clients. So, if this is your first time here, welcome. It's very nice to meet you. And if you're a regular viewer or subscriber, thanks for being here. It's nice to see you again. So, defining your ideal client is very important because that's who you're going to be talking to through your website. Remember, your website is about your business and you, of course, and the services you provide, but it's really for the people who are going to come and use it, and those are your ideal clients. So it's really important to define really who they are. Now, the first way to get started is to really think in terms of who do you like working with. I mean, look at your current client base and say, who do I like working with the most? That's really a subset of the whole to begin with. Then I think what's very critical is to know what your client's problem is, what their biggest problem is, what their current troubling situation, what their biggest question is. And if you can answer that, that is huge because that's what you're going to be talking about throughout the entire site. So let's take the example of a personal trainer. This is one that I use quite a bit. A personal trainer named, let's call her Michelle, and she works with women between, or let's just say from the ages of 40 and up, a rather, interesting demographic, who want to lose weight, get in shape, and have energy for their very busy lifestyles. So she's defined who she wants to work with and what their problem is. And that's very, very important. When you know that, you've won most of the battle. But the other thing that I think is very important to talk about and to think about when you're defining your ideal client, because this is going to give you added content to create that really speaks genuinely to your ideal client. You want to know what their really big fears, their worries are, what their emotional state is, right? So let's just take Michelle, the trainer, again. She knows that the problem that a lot of her clients have is that they want to get in shape and lose weight. But on top of that, they might have other fears in trying to make that decision or move forward, like the price point of her offering, or how they're actually going to feel after they get through all this hard work, or what are the added benefits, the emotional ones that they get from going through a customized workout program that might be more expensive than the one at their local gym, that might be located even further from their local gym. So when you know really what's on your ideal clients' minds, not just in terms of, how to solve their problem, but their fears or their hesitation or their worries, or maybe they've tried everything already and nothing has worked. And if you can answer those questions for them, then I think you're really golden, because then you have all of the content, all the information you need in order to create very effective, very genuine, and very compassionate content for your ideal clients. Now, once you know all of that information, I think it's pretty easy to create a very good statement, a succinct marketing statement, a marketing message that will really attract the people you're trying to get. And it goes something like this. It may sound formulaic, but it really works. So you put this on the top of your homepage in the hero section, right? So in the case of someone like Michelle, the trainer, it might go like something like this. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a personal trainer, and I help women 40 plus lose weight, get in shape, have energy for the lifestyle that they want, for their busy lifestyles. And I help them do that without sacrificing food that they love, or, anything else, taking up too much of their time. So when you have a statement like that, it really appeals to that very specific clientele. So give it a try. Just remember, you need to know who you want to work with, what their problems are, what their pain points are, what their fears are, what keeps them up at night. And then you can put that in a really good statement, not only on your home page, but repeat it throughout the other pages on your website. And you'll be able to do this in a very authentic, genuine, caring manner. And trust me, when you can do that, it makes your whole website so much more effective at getting the people you most want to work with to choose you over anyone else. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful. Thanks again, as always, for being here and watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you soon again in my next video.